Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be working on some cups. As you see, I have some cups over here that I've already put the glitter. I've already primed them, prep, prime, epoxy, glitter, epoxy. Now it's going to get its stickers and vinyl that it wants. And then in all three cups will still get some more layers of epoxy on them. So we have an all green one here, which is absolutely beautiful. This green is just so beautiful. These two here are for a customer. We have a green and yellow one. I did the little ombre thing on it. And then I have this pink and blue one here with the ombre. And this is actually for my other channel for a giveaway. Everybody's been wanting to know what the cup looks like. So most of them are on this channel, so now they'll get to see. And I have all the vinyl and all the stickers printed up here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on here. I already have the epoxy mixed up. Got the machine ready over here. So let's go on and do this. I thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Welcome to all my new subscribers. You guys are amazing. I appreciate it. So we're going to do this cup here first. This is the one that's getting my logo. And that's all it's getting on it. So I got to make sure I move that just right. Okay. And this is the sticker that's going on there. And I went with pink and blue ombre because there's a lot of pink and blue in my logo for my other channel. So I'm going to put this on here. It's a good size sticker too. Try to get it centered just right. I need my brush. I feel like just a regular brush, makeup brush, whatever, when you're laying down your decals, I think it works better than using like this here. Oh. Because this here can actually scratch or leave dents in the epoxy, because you know it's cured, but you can scratch it. That makes sense. And then sometimes you can rip your vinyl too, and we don't want to do that. Oh, I don't want to do that either. So yeah, I'll show you what this looks like here, you guys. We'll get all these stickers on, and then I'm gonna move you guys, because then we're going to this also helps get all the bubbles out and press it down. I mean, I can put gloves on and press it down because, you know, you have oil, natural oils in your hand. That's what that one looks like with my logo on it. Turn that sucker over. These stands don't stay on for shit, y'all. Alright, so on this all emerald green one, which is absolutely beautiful. I guess I could get you guys in here, huh? Let's move y'all in here some. Let's move y'all in here. We'll move you right here so you can kind of see what's going on. I didn't even think to move you. So there's this one. Now, it's getting dates of family members, but it's getting this all green one here is getting this beautiful picture right here. So we're going to put that on, and then we're going to put the dates on the other side. If you do want a custom cup made, you can shoot me an email at princessscratcher@yahoo.com, and we can go over it. You just wanna, this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. They're all going to be beautiful. So then I'm going to kind of turn that so you guys can see. And I'm just using the bristles on the brush and pushing the decal down more. When I put my gloves on, I'll press on it more. I don't want to do it really with my hands because, like I said, the oil. I think that is pretty. You guys can see that. And then on this side, we're going to put the dates. So I gotta see where the sticker is. And yes, Snorebox is in here with me. He is always in here with me. It never fails. That one's 34. The boy, he's just... I wish I could sleep as good as he does. I feel like I'm going to put them at an angle a little bit. I think at an angle, they'll be pretty. Now, I am going to have to put a glove on for this one because this is vinyl, airplane vinyl, so it's a little harder to get it to stick. I have to press on. I'm doing it with the brush, ain't going to work. Get this other one on here. But I think they're beautiful. There's something about this green, man. This green is just gorgeous. This is being a pain in the ass and not wanting to stick for me. He's a trip. The little boy be out like light. Alright, so I did that one that way. So maybe I'll do this one this way. Right? No. I'll do them both this way. And then I'm going to use my hand. I went with yellow vinyl for the dates because I feel like it's really going to pop. Alright. Now I do have to take these off to get that vinyl peeled up. But yeah, that's what I've been working on. This is actually literally days ago. You know, it takes a week to make a cup. Ow. It's not wanting to stick for me. And that's the joys of doing crafts. In real time, y'all, this stuff is not always easy to do. Just saying. Oh, man, this yellow really pops on here. I hope she likes it. I mean, she knows what I'm doing on the cups, but to see it, you know what I mean? I also wiped my hands off with some alcohol. Wow. Can y'all see how the numbers pop on that green, that yellow? It's beautiful. They're all three of these cups are gorgeous, but this, I like seeing an idea come to life, you know what I mean? I absolutely love it. I don't even know if you guys can see. I'm just like moving and talking and stuff. Alright, I'm gonna, I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I kind of like skipped a little bit there because the numbers were being a pain in the ass and giving me a hard time. So let me move you guys up here so I have all the decals on both the cups. So this is the ombre cup. I know there's probably a glare from the window. So this one got the sunflowers with the butterflies. Oh my goodness. And then it has a date here. Absolutely beautiful. So all of that is on there because I have more cups to make, so I need to get these done. Here's the all green one. Absolutely gorgeous. Dates are on that side. And then the one that's for my, I'm telling y'all, glitter. It never fails. And then this is the one for my giveaway on my other channel. That's the only thing on this one. So I am going to get you guys moved over here, and we're going to put some epoxy on here and get these on the machine and get some layers going. Alright, y'all, so let me get this other glove on. We're going to get some epoxy on here and get these cups on this machine here and get them spinning. They will get this layer and probably 1 to 2 more layers of epoxy. I need a little Dixie cup here. Mix that up. Pour a little bit in there. It's just easier to pour on the cup that way. We're going to go ahead and do this cup that's for my channel for the giveaway. I have a garbage can here, so all I'm going to do, if you guys can see, is I'm just going to pour this over the top and just start wiping it down. Now this will get a thicker layer. The first 2 layers that were on this cup were a lot thinner. This is going to get a thicker one now. The next few coats will be a lot thicker because now I need it to seal in everything. Hopefully y'all can see this because I can't really be touching my GoPro with all this epoxy on me. You just, once again, they have tools for you to do this, but I feel when you do it with your hand, and a lot of us use our hands, you can feel spots that you miss and all that. You want to make sure it's smeared all the way down. And now I have to use the heat gun too to get the bubbles out. Once I get epoxy on all 3 of these cups, we'll get them on here spinning, and we will get the bubbles out. By all means, I'm not a professional. This ain't no Hollywood video. I mean, it has its ups and downs. It's just real as it's gonna get. You gotta get that on there, get the holes lined up. Push that through, lock it in place, get that one spinning. Next one is this one. These cups turned out freaking amazing, y'all. I think they are absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I gotta put some more epoxy on there. I like to use the Dixie cup, but you just want to work it around so everything on the cup is covered. This shit makes a mess. I can't open the window because it is too humid outside. Your epoxy, you really want it between 70 and 75 degrees in the area that you're working on. Oops. With no humidity. Because that really helps. Man, these cups are beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous, boy, I tell you what. I know a lot of people don't like glitter, and I can make cups without glitter. That's not the issue, but boy, I tell you what, this sucker is pretty. Alright, tricky part. You pretty much be one-handed. Gotta hurry up and get that on there. The reason why they sit on a machine and spin, this is not sublimation printing. I'm so sick of people asking me that. The sublimation printing is super easy. I don't do that. This is hours and hours and time, epoxy and layers and glitter and pigment powder or alcohol ink, depending on whatever you want on your cup. Takes a week to make 1 cup. Oh, we need some more on that one. These green cups are absolutely, they're all beautiful. These green cups turned out amazing. I really hope she likes it because, like I said, she knows what we're doing, but she has not seen them yet. So I really hope you like these cups. I don't want to say a name. I don't know if I can say who they're for or not. But she said I could show them on the channel, so I appreciate your love and support. I hope you like them. Now these will spin for 24 hours on this machine. Tomorrow they will get another layer of epoxy. Depending how they settle, then they will get either another layer, or it might just be 1 more layer. It might get just 1 or 2 more layers. Just all depends how I feel that they've covered everything well. You know what I mean? Let me get this on here, you guys. Take this freaking glove off. Now get you guys over here so you can see. I'm gonna move my mess. I got leftover epoxy. I'm sure I got it somewhere on me. Nothing new. Alright, y'all, let's go. Alright. So this is what they look like on here. Spinning. Absolutely gorgeous, man. Look at these cups. So freaking beautiful. I tell you what, these turned out amazing. But yes, they are going to get 1 or 2 more layers of epoxy. And that's all 3. This is for the giveaway on my other channel. And I got to make some more cups for that channel. And then I have another customer's order I got to do. Beautiful. So that's really it for right now. I mean, when I get them all done, they're just going to get another layer tomorrow. Possibly 2 layers all together. They're going to sit on here for 24 hours to spin. I'm going to take this heat gun. I can actually show you guys real quick. If I can find the end of my extension cord. You don't have to buy this epoxy heat gun. I got it. It was only like 10 bucks, I think, on 10 or 15 bucks on Amazon. You can use a regular heat gun. My husband's heat gun in the garage is way too strong. You just want to take it and just go over it, get the air bubbles out. I mean, it's hot. I mean, it's hot enough. It's for epoxy and resin and stuff. Wow, they are beautiful. Just kind of just go around it. You can see where the bubbles are. But a lot of times when you mix your epoxy, if you let it sit before you start using it or putting it on, most of the bubbles pop on their own. But these are definitely going to get 1 or 2 more layers of epoxy, guys. These cups are beautiful. The lighting over here sucks, but they are gorgeous. Alright, let's just wait 24 hours to see how they turned out. Alright, you guys, so these cups have been working on them for a week. Now they need to just set for a week. They're all done. I think they turned out absolutely beautiful. I have permission to show these 2. And then this purple and pink, or it's kind of blue and pink cup is from my other channel for a giveaway. So let's check these cups out here. This light in here does it no justice. These cups are absolutely beautiful. Look at that green with the sunflowers. And then the date there. Look at the shininess. You can see from the window there how shiny these are. Beautiful cups. I've already sent her a little video, so she got to see them, but she absolutely loves them. But she knows they have to sit for a week. I appreciate all the love, support, you guys, and all the business. You guys are amazing. This one is so pretty, too. They are all absolutely gorgeous. I mean, just look at the shine on them. I am working on some more cups. They are sitting over here on the machine. I actually have to put some more layers on them. And then this is the cup for my scratcher channel. That will be for the giveaway at the end of the month. Beautiful cup. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you guys so much. If you like what you see, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And until next Wednesday, you guys have a great week. Bye.